And I'm back. Hi, I'm Reggie Sweat, and I thank you so much for joining my channel. I know, I've been away for a long time. Maybe not so much. Did you miss me? I don't know because it seemed like the time is just really kept ticking along, and I've been so busy. But I'll tell you and I'll share that with you real quick of what I've been doing for the last few months. And if you're new to this channel, please do hit your notifications so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Always remember that you can always begin again, and we will start from day one, starting today. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you on the next video. Cheers.